Yeah, look at this.
Open it.
Yeah, we're gonna open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
Yeah, let's open it up. Shall we open it up? What's
Yeah.
this? Pull back and go. 12 mini trucks. Classic construction team vehicles. Wow, let's check it out.
An orange one.
Let's check it out, shall we?
An
Does it
orange.
open? I think it opens from the top. Oh,
orange.
let's open it from the top. Oh,
Ooh,
with the orange one.
Yes.
Ooh.
Open this one.
Okay, let's open. Wow, look at this. Isn't this cool? Wow.
oh wow. How many are there?
This one.
So many. Huh?
Are you going to play with them on your road?
Wow, so many.
Up down.
Fuel
They
tank
go
car.
up down. Up down. Up down.
Yay, look at this. Wow. Look at this one. This one's a digger, isn't it? Wow. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Check this one out.
This one, Joey.
Wow.
Joey.
Oh, I'll do it on the wrong way. Yeah, wow. Do you want to do it as well? Do it as well, Musa. Pull it back. Okay, Musa, look. Pull it back like this. And then watch it go. Wow, so fast.
It's coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
Coming.
Yeah, this one's a fuel tank.
Oh,
Fuel tank car.
oh.
Wow, you got so many. Wow. Oh, check this one out. Yeah, look, let me show you how to do it. You hold it like this, pull it back, let go. Wow, it goes flying. Hold it like this, pull it back, let go. Wow. Wow.
I want to open.
Try this one, yeah. Wow, it goes, it's quite good, this one.
Oh.
Come, should Daddy show you how to do it?
No.
No? Okay, you do it yourself then.
Put in taboo quick. Put in taboo.
You put it on the table.
So what colour is this one?
Put in taboo. Put in taboo.
Sofa? We're going to put it on the floor. Should we put it on the floor?
Put in taboo.
No, not over there.
This is the
Let's stay
table,
over
baby.
here. Let's stay over here.
Put in taboo.
Okay, let's try put it over there. Come. Let's do this one. Pull this one. Okay.
Back.
Look at this. What colour is this one?
Red.
This one's a yellow one, yeah? What colour is this one?
Blue.
Blue. And what colour is this one?
Green.
Yeah, look at that. Isn't that quite cool? This one's a mixer. Yeah?
No.
Look like this. Wow.
Should we do a race? We should do a race with them.
Should we do a race?
Yes.
Come, let's race. Put this one here. Put this one here. Wow. I think those ones won. Look. Wow, look at that one. That one's gone all the way down there. Let's try out the mixer. Let's see how fast the mixer is. Should we see how quick the mixer is?
No.
Wow.
Oh wow.
What about this one? The fuel tank car. Wow, look at the fuel tank car. Fuel tank car. Wow, let's see how fast this one is. Push it all the way back. Let go. Wow. How many diggers have you got, Musa? How many diggers?
4 digits.
Yeah, how many diggers do you have?
4 digits.
Yeah, that's a digger. So you got 2 diggers, yeah?
Oh
Yeah, you got 2
wow.
diggers.
Nice digger,
Wow.
Musa.
What colour is this digger?
Blue.
Blue. And what colour is this digger?
Red.
Yeah, well the digger part is red, isn't it? What colour is this part here? What colour is this part? It's yellow, isn't it? Yeah? Well, what are these green ones? We've got mixer. It's a cool mixer. And then we've got another green one, which is a super truck. Wow. Yeah, wow. What's this? Oh, there's another truck as well.
Oh.
And this one? Wow, truck. What about this one? What's this one, Musa? What's these ones? Wow, so many. How many have we got? Yeah, let's get it now. Wow. We got super truck. Two super trucks. Wow.
Super truck.
So many cars. So many trucks.
What's this one? Fuel tank car.
Wow, fuel tank car.
And this is a digger.
This one's a digger. Look at that. Wow.